Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. A lot of stuff going on today. As you can see, we have another set of wheels. And the reason why we have another set of wheels is because I'm gonna sell these wheels. Now, I really like these T37 SLs, but there's something about this silver lip that's bothering me. I don't know what it is. You guys let me know what you guys think, but I think the silver lip makes the car look kind of big in a way, in a sense. If it was like a full, dark gunmetal finish versus the lip, and I would prefer it. As far as fitment wise, you can see we shaved the rears already last time. It's good to go. Fortunately, I have a buyer for these already, and these gotta go, but maybe another time. So in the meantime, I did pick up some wheels. These are 18 and 9.5 as well, but with a 35 offset. So slightly more aggressive than these. These are 38 offset, so 3 more offset, more aggressive. Tire size are 255 35s, so similar to those CE28s. So this should fit a little better. We'll see. These are just temporary wheels, and these will be for sale too. If you're interested, let me know. I'm gonna sign for dirt cheap. Aside from that, we are finally installing the third brake light. Everyone's been talking about the rear is missing the brake light to finish off the rear, so here it is. Kevin's gonna help us today to do the wiring because I don't know anything about wiring. So he already preset all the wires up already, which I have no idea what I'm looking at, but he's gonna explain to you guys, and we're gonna put that on. And as well, the final piece today is my favorite part, the black gloss grille. This is the factory grille. Originally, I gave away one of the old grills, but then got another one back. Now we painted a gloss black compared to this OEM one, which is a sport grille. As you can see, I really like this texture better than the sport grille. I see a lot of comments saying this looks like a Ford Taurus. But anyways, it still looks good. This is sold to a buddy of mine already, but I'm gonna put this one back on. As you can see, it looks freaking sick. It matches. Oh my God, what was that? Anyway, see, as you can tell, this pattern matches here. Like science. All right guys, so you guys saw me take them off already a million times. So we're gonna do this grill again. If you haven't seen the last episodes before, right to the grill swap. It's pretty easy. You can see all these clips right here. Legit, just pop it in. Just kidding. In front of you guys right here, minus the brake light, are the two grills. Sport grill, stock grill, gloss black. I highly recommend you doing your grill gloss black. If you want to get it done by us, we can do it for you too. It's like $200 to paint everything, sand everything down. Very nice finish. Like, dude, it's a no-brainer. Like, at least for me, I go for this. But if you like this, it looks nice too. But Ford Taurus look, super WX. Mount it back, and then, by the way, there's this pin strip here. We offer this as well. So if you're interested, those are for sale. So I haven't seen the grill yet. I'm very excited. I'm just gonna put back these screws right now. So, by the way, we are selling a lot of these painted flares right now on our website in the link below. So if you need questions, feel free to hit us up. If you have any questions, I will, or DM me. I will help you out. And I lost my goddamn screw. It was just missing right here. But anyways, let's check it out. You know what? I really don't miss that grill at all. I really did miss this grill though, but in gloss black, holy shit. Let me know what you guys think, something you would do, or, would you leave your stock? But I highly recommend it, so very nice. So, looks pretty sick. I love it. Actually, I really love it. I'm gonna add that pin strip, or I don't know if I should even add it. It looks pretty clean without it, but I'm curious to see how those fit because it's a 35 offset versus 38. So it might poke a lot more than the wheel, but then the tires are obviously a lot smaller than these R888s. So for research purposes, And also, me doing all this, I hope, it gives you guys the opportunity or a chance to work on your own cars too, because I'm not that good at working on cars. And I've learned a lot here at Elite Reps from Kevin, especially, like last week's shaving video. I don't have the skills or have the guts to do it, but onto the wheels. Let's get started. I'm excited. Let's do it. The NK Rajins in bronze finish. Okay, here we go. Oh, it looks mighty stretch, I don't know how I feel, but temporary wheels. I swear I change wheels more than I change my underwear. Dead ass. Well, not too shabby. always like to do the fitment check. Okay, obviously guys, it's a lot more stretch, you know. Gap's a lot more bigger now because we're not running a super fat tire, but it doesn't look too bad. Again, you can't compare these. These are like $5,000 wheels, you know, with a tire setup, of course. You have like $1,500, $2,000 setup, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna do the rears. I mean, they don't look too bad. I don't know. All right, guys, another reason why I'm swapping so many wheels, because I want to find the ultimate wheel setup, like the ultimate fitment for you guys, you know. If you have a 22 WX, I want to save you guys the trouble, time, money, and of course, you know, to find the ultimate setup. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. All right, look guys, just for reference, okay? Look at the stretchiness, look at this fatness. She's a thick girl, but this girl is, you know, a little on the thin side, you know? So, gives you an idea, okay, how much 10 millimeter on an R888 makes. Excuse the rubbing part, see this? Eek. All right. Let's check out the fitment in the rear. Oh, man. Fits good, fits low, you know, stretch luck. You know, after I put these on, I like the tees a lot more. But, oh man, it's okay. We're here to find the ultimate wheel setup, you know? Bench it. Just kidding. All right, here it is, guys. My favorite part of this part is to do the comparison, so let's check it out. Clear is like 2 stretch, actually. 35 offset can work, guys, so. But this tire is just so stretched, per at least 255/35. I think go out with a 255/40 at this rate because I also shaped it. That makes a huge difference. It's like godlike. What I mean by godlike, it's like almost perfect. Like we don't rub in the front at all, you know. So as you can see, 265/35 works good in the front. 255/35 on this side with a 35 offset. It's okay. Still looks nice. Stretch look, you know, rub free. You don't need to worry about hitting anything or rubbing anything when you're going to canyons. So we're done with the wheels. Now we're gonna move on to the third brake light. Wow, it looks pretty good already. Very excited to put this on. Before we gotta take off our aeroflow diffuser. Look how this thing is good ass quality, you know. To take this off is super easy. 4 bolts, 3 clips on each side. Literally take me about like 10 seconds with the power tool. Now I just gotta locate where the holes are. I'm installing something. Wash your hands.
Hey everyone, I'm here to explain how to install a third brake light into a 22 plus WX. Super simple. I've already pre-wired some of the ends, so I just made my connections and such. So it's easily removable and stuff. The tools I need is a screwdriver, 10 mil, and a pry bar. You start off by removing the taillight. Now that I have the taillight off, I unplugged it. I'll take the pre-wire that we got from Subi Speed. Just fish it down. And then connect the pigtail in. Fully plug and play. And then connect your taillight back in. And then just tuck it all nicely. I'm gonna leave it on like this for now, just because in case I needed to mess with it afterwards. And now to take this guy out. There's a couple clips down here that needs to be removed. It's hard to see. Black with black. It turns on, all right? Did it get brighter? Nice. Comes with a wiring kit with 2 clips. The 2 clips you're gonna need for later on. And then here's the third brake light. So when you have the third brake light mounted as such like this, inside the bumper you'll see little holes where these will line up. And so you take the supply clips afterwards and insert it in with the bumper holding it. And this will actually hold it in place. So, you know, it's not going anywhere. Except for that nut.
All right, guys, this concludes our video for today. Very exciting, lots of stuff done today. Peep the new gloss black grille, the temporary end key rod jeans, 18 9.5 with the 35 offset, 255/35. Clear is good, no fitment issues. So if you want to run with this kind of setup, 100% ready to go. And then we also did the third brake light thanks to Elite Wraps. Finally, I think the rear is pretty much complete with the STI wing and our diffuser right here. Perfect, good to go. We have exhaust coming soon, next video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. More stuff coming soon. Catch you guys later.